Welcome to Vizkits. If you're here, you've either attended our Get Accredited Ready training or you've just got a specific interest in Tableau. The training covers all you need to know to pass the Desktop Specialist and Data Analyst exams. Stick around at the end of the exercise solution for more information. By the end of the 18 exercise solutions, you'll end up with 4 interactive dashboards just like these. The content in this solution video covers the dashboard building material from the training. On to page 71 now. Exercise is all about dashboards, dashboards, dashboards. So let's build our second dashboard, and we're going to call this our sales and profit analysis. So again, click on the new dashboard button. We're going to rename this sales and profit analysis. In the dashboard tab, we're just going to adjust that size to a custom 1200 by 800. From the sheet section of the dashboard pane, we're going to bring in the sales by product worksheet. And then we're going to drag the sales and profit over time below this. So that's just going to go. So we want that thick grey. We're letting Tableau create the containers for us in these dashboards. So we don't need those thin grey highlighted lines anymore. And then I'm going to drag the scatter plot down into the bottom right hand corner. And note, Tableau's created a container for our worksheet. And as usual, we've got a container here for any legends, any filters, any parameters. I'm going to bring a text object on for my title now. Just going to drag that at the top here. It's going to be our sales and profit analysis. If I could spell. We're going to change that to Tableau bold, 48 font size, center it, and we're going to change it to black. Click on OK. We also want our image in here. So I've got our image and I'm going to drag that just to the top. Again, we need to browse to our store logo. I'm going to fit that and center that. And I just need to do a bit of resizing. So let's resize that, and also our logo. Our dashboard should look like this. So let's format the look and feel of this dashboard. So we're going to click into the sales by product drill down, and then we're going to go to that worksheet. We're going to click on the minus because we only want to show the category names now, and that's taken the subcategory name dimension off the row shelf. We're going to right click on the measure name pill. We're going to not show that header because we've got this legend that we're going to use to show the user which is profit and which is sales. We're going to click onto the select a year filter, and we're going to bring the all value back in again by going to customize and show the all value, and we're going to set that to all. And then we're going to go back into our sales and profit analysis tab. So we've got our dashboard view. We're going to click onto the measure names color legend. So that's this one here. And we're not going to show that title, but we're going to show this as a floating object. I'm going to make that floating, and we're going to put that into the bottom right hand corner of our sales by product drill down. And we're going to get rid of our year filter, clicking on the X, We're also going to get rid of our absolute profit legend. So all we're left with is our selector region filter and our detail selector parameter. Okay, so we're going to click into our sales and profit over time. And then we're going to select the go to sheet option. So we're going to right click on our sum of profit pill and tick show header, and we're going to do the same on our sales pill. We're going to right click on the month pill, and we're going to untick the show header for that. In fact, we're going to show our sales axes. That was my mistake, didn't mean to hide that one, but we're going to double click in that, and we're just going to change the title to sales and profit, and then just click on the X to close that. On the select a region filter, we're going to show all, and then we're going to remove the geographic region pill from the filter shelf, and then we'll click back into our dashboard. And then we're going to double click the scatter plot worksheet title, and we're going to rename this as profit versus sales for, and then just going to bring the parameter value in there, which is our detail selector. And click apply and click OK. We're going to double click the sales and profit over time worksheet title, and we're going to remove that missing field because we've removed that from the view now. Click on apply and OK. And then we're going to double click the sales by product drill down worksheet, and we're going to remove the year of order date because we're not filtering by year of order date now, and click on OK. We're going to add borders to all of the worksheets. So go into the layout tab, make sure you've got your sheet highlighted, and then choose the border that you want. Remember, we're just doing this for the worksheets, not for the legends. And then we're going to remove the select a region filter from here. And the dashboard now is looking like this. We're going to hide all of our sheets, make sure you save that away, and then we're going to build our next dashboard. So we're going to build our third dashboard now. It's going to be our employee analysis. So click on the new dashboard button. I'm going to call that employee analysis. Again, in the dashboard section, we're going to change this to a custom size of 1200 by 800. And then from the sheet section of the dashboard pane, which is here, so let's just click here so we get rid of that. We're going to bring in our employee profit breakdown worksheet. We're also going to bring in our sales by employee worksheet at the bottom. And then we're going to bring our highlight table onto the bottom as well. And these look a little bit overwhelming at the moment, but we're going to use some filters a bit later on, so we're only ever seeing any of these by one employee. We're going to bring a text object for our title to the top, and we're going to call this employee analysis, and we're going to make that Tableau bold, font size of 48, black and center, and click on OK. Again, let's make that a lot smaller. Then we're going to bring our image in, top right hand corner, and browse to wherever you've saved the store logo. Make sure you fit image and center the image. The width of this, we can make the same width as the container with the legends in. Just going to make this a little bit smaller. There we go. I'm going to adjust the height of the sales by employee worksheet. If the size of the donuts gets a little bit big, you might need to just go back to this worksheet and just decrease the size slightly. I'm okay at the moment, they're fitting great. So don't worry about this highlight table being unreadable. We're going to remedy it later. As I say, we're only ever going to look at this view by one employee. So this view here is just going to show one employee's profit. So we're going to click into the profit status colour legend, which is here. And we're going to use the handle to drag that to the right hand side of the other worksheet. So we want to see that thin grey line. Then we're going to click into the profit colour legend. Just going to click on the more options on the profit colour legend. We're going to make that floating, and I'm just going to use the handle of that to drag that down to the right hand side of the highlight table. Then we're going to click into the order date filter, click on the X because we're going to remove that from the dashboard. And then we're going to click into the highlight table, and using the more options, we're going to untick the title. So we're not going to show the title for that. We're going to right click on the order date and hide field labels for columns. We're going to hide the worksheets that we've used in that. And we're going to save that away. We're now going to build our next dashboard, which is going to be our order breakdown. So again, it's our new dashboard button, and we're going to call this order breakdown. Again, we're going to change the size of that, so it's a custom 1200 by 800. On the sheet section, we're going to drag our orders table. I think we're going to make quite a few changes to this as well, so it's displaying exactly what we want it to. Firstly though, I'm going to drag our text object at the top. I'm going to call this our order breakdown. Again, let's make that Tableau bold. 48, black and center. Click on OK. And let's bring our image in, and again browse to where we've created our store logo, fit and center that, click on OK. Okay, so let's adjust the height of these, and we're going to make that similar width to the other dashboards. So as I say, we're going to format this because we want to show some different information to our original crosstab. So we're going to click into that worksheet, and then we're going to click the go to sheet. Let's make our changes. We're going to remove category name. We're going to remove subcategory name, and we're going to remove profit status. And then from the measure shelf, we're going to remove quantity, we're going to remove cost price, and we're going to remove stock price. And then from our orders section of our marks card, we're going to drag the order date dimension onto the row shelf, and that's going to be to the left of the ship country. And what we want to show is we want to show the exact date. So if we right click on year of order date, we've got an exact date option. Problem though, exact date is a continuous date field, and as such we get a date axis. Tableau wants to aggregate and show these marks against the axis. So what we need to do is show order date in a discrete manner. So just right click on order date. It's still a continuous date, but we're going to show each discrete date in that continuous date pill. We need to drag that back to the left hand side of ship country, because we want our orders in date order. And we're going to change the order of the measures. So we've got sales at the top, then profit, and actually we should have got rid of cost as well. So sales, profit and average discount. I'm going to click on the order breakdown dashboard now. Dashboard is giving us all of our orders in date order. And then we're going to right click on our order breakdown, hide the sheets, save our workbook, and then the next exercises we're going to start making these dashboards a lot more interactive by adding actions. We're going to add navigation options, so we're going to be able to go from one dashboard to another. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, follow and subscribe, as I'll be posting a lot more content than just the exercise solutions. And if you're interested in attending the training, then visit our website vizkits.co.uk. There's a course every week, and for only £99 you get a one-day online course that will cover all of the material that you need to know to pass the Tableau Certified Desktop Specialist and Tableau Certified Data Analyst exams. All delegates are given a 100+ page exercise manual containing 18 detailed exercises to complete offline. The exercises will test what you have learned and give the trainer an idea of how well you've learned the material. All exercise solutions are available as videos on YouTube, so if you get stuck, there's help available online. You'll need to submit the completed exercise workbook to the training for evaluation about a week after the course. The trainer will then schedule a 1-hour online face-to-face meeting to discuss your strengths and weaknesses and advise you if you're exam ready and what you need to work on. If you just want the exercise solution manual, then that's available as well for £19.99. See you all on the next video.